Hello YouTube, let's do this song Truth by the group Jungle. That's the main riff during the chorus. They're not playing syncopated at all. I watched a live performance. There's two guitars and a bass and several keyboards. So when that guitar is playing in the chorus, it's just kind of accentuating the other instruments, because there's a guitar and a bass playing. There's other instruments in the background. That lead guitar is just going and letting it ring. So it's like the 1 and 2, 3, 4. So every chord gets one beat except for the and 2. And that's split between C and D. So as it goes A, C, D, G, A. That's for the chorus. During the verse, it's just more like playing a during the verse, it's still going to that CD, but it's much less time on the C. It's just like so. In the verse, that C is much less pronounced. In the chorus, they kind of pause on that C. And it's strum and slide. So you're not going, you're just going. And then during the verses, I think they're just doubling the bass part. There's a little guitar solo and playing a little at the something at so both of those are A minor pentatonic positions at your 5th fret, and then this one is your 12th fret with your 5th string root. Over here it's a 6th string root. And they're just playing more the notes in the melody. It's like a little Chuck Berry riff. Bend the G string, come to the B string and hit the same note. Okay, that's all I get to say on that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.